Hi guys, today, let's use clay to create a horror version of Totoro. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to see the result. Even if you're not an anime fan, chances are you've seen Totoro at least once before, the giant creature with the mysterious smile from My Neighbor Totoro by Studio Ghibli. To many people, Totoro is a symbol of childhood, kindness, and the magic of nature. But behind that adorable appearance lies a series of disturbing rumors that have sent chills down viewers' spines for years. The story begins when two sisters, Satsuki and Mei, move to the countryside to be closer to their hospitalized mother. During their lonely days surrounded by endless fields and silent forests, Mei accidentally encounters Totoro, a strange creature living deep inside the hollow of an ancient tree. From that moment on, the sisters' lives become filled with wonder. Nighttime flights through the sky, the mysterious cat bus, and magical events that seem impossible to explain. But there's one strange detail that many people overlook. Other than the two sisters, almost nobody in the village ever truly sees Totoro. The adults always dismiss Mei's stories as nothing more than a child's imagination. And that leads to a terrifying question. What if Totoro was never really there? According to a dark theory that has circulated for years, Totoro is not a forest spirit at all, but a creature that guides the souls of the dead. Some believe that when Mei disappeared near the pond, she had actually drowned. The sandal found floating in the water was supposedly proof of her death, but Satsuki was too terrified to accept the truth. Desperate and heartbroken, Satsuki runs into the forest searching for Totoro, and then the creature appears. No one truly knows what happened after that. But from that moment on, the two sisters seem strangely disconnected from the real world. In several scenes near the end of the movie, adults barely acknowledge their presence. Some viewers even notice that Satsuki and Mei appear to have no shadows in the final scenes, a detail that only fueled the spirits of the dead theory even more. People say Totoro only appears to children standing between life and death. Its unnaturally wide smile may not be friendly at all, but the curious expression of an ancient being observing humans. And the cat bus, with its glowing eyes racing through the darkness, may not be magical transportation, but a vehicle carrying lost souls away from the human world. There are even stories claiming that director Hayao Miyazaki once hinted that Totoro was actually a very terrifying creature, and that the only reason it never ate the two sisters was simply because it wasn't hungry yet. Of course, none of these theories have ever been officially confirmed. But maybe that mystery is exactly what makes the legend of Totoro so unforgettable. Even after nearly 40 years, whenever people see Totoro smiling beneath the rain at the lonely bus stop, they still can't decide whether they should feel comforted or deeply unsettled. And now, my horror version of Totoro is finally almost complete. Even though it's creepy, it still looks pretty cute, right? If there's any character you'd like me to recreate next, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below. And please give this video a like and leave a comment to support me and motivate me to make more videos in the future.